What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. I wanted to give an update on what the markets are doing, where we're going, and take you back to some videos that we did in the past and show you how those coins are performing today. So if that sounds interesting, you guys stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and smash that notification bell to continue to get these updates. Let's jump into it. Alright guys, so we're going to just hop into CoinMarketCap today. You can see that Bitcoin is up on the hour 2%, not bad. 7-day, about 3%. We've been hanging out at this level, trying to break through 30,000 for the past couple weeks now. I think we're going to stay here maybe till the end of May. There's a lot of resistance at $30,000. We may actually see a greater pullback than you see right now. But ultimately, I think we're going to be range bound for the rest of the year. Going into 2024, we may see Bitcoin get up to 40,000 briefly and come back down, but really I think we're going to remain in this range of $20,000 to $40,000 throughout the rest of 2024. And that's fine. We've come out of the depths of the bear market, and we're just kind of in this accumulation phase where we basically just bounce from 20 to 40, and it could be anywhere in that range through the rest of the year. But this is your time to understand that this is a buying opportunity for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the granddaddy asset, and it's always going to move before everything else. And that's when you can take profit from Bitcoin after it has made its move to the upside, and then filter some of those profits down into the altcoins, because the altcoin season always comes after the Bitcoin season. And that's kind of the way that I play these markets, guys. And we'll get into more detail on that as we progress with the channel. Ethereum's doing somewhat of the same thing. We've got pretty much the same update. It's kind of tracking towards $2,000, but it's kind of getting stuck at this level as well. I think Ethereum could potentially go to 2,500 to 3,000 for the end of the year. Remember that all-time highs for Ethereum back in 2021 was about $4,900. So, we have a lot of room to run with Ethereum this cycle. Some other names down this list, everything that you're seeing here, you guys are all familiar with, the top 10. Solana's still in the running. Cosmos, all of these coins are lower chain altcoins. We haven't really seen much movement from the altcoins here recently. It's basically just been the Bitcoin show. But we will see this market take off here in the next year or so. And this is really where you make your money here, guys, is some of these lower named altcoins. You can see Algorand somewhat doing okay, up 1%. I took a pretty big stake in Algorand. It's a great blockchain. It's actually solving real world issues, airline ticketing, and it also solves the trifecta of decentralization, scalability, and low gas fees. So that's why I like Algorand. I think it belongs up in the top 10 at some point. And hopefully more developers get on there and we see that go towards the upside. Other than that, the rest, guys. I wanted to jump into a coin as well as just give you this market update on a coin that I talked about a few months ago and made a video on. If you were paying attention, props to you. If you made your own decision to make an investment in METACADE, that's great. You can see that the pre-sale is closed. They've actually added this to Uniswap and Bitmart, so you can go on these sites and actually buy the token now. It's METACADE is the ticker symbol. I just want to show you the performance since this coin went live. So when I made that video, it was during the second round of the pre-sale, and it was a penny. It was 0.012 was the cost. And a measly $500 investment would have gotten you 40,000 METACADE coins. Now, I just wanted to show you what it's done since it went live and since it's being added to all of these major exchanges. We're up a good 4x now from that video. So props to you guys if you made any profits off of that so far, We're still going to run here. This is a good project. It's got a lot of good team members behind it. And this is why I'm invested in it. And this is why I wanted to give you the information to make your own decision about it. So I hope you guys are doing well with this one. Really happy with this one. I'm excited to see what the future holds for METACADE. One more thing, guys, I wanted to show you a website that I found. And this is kind of old. I've shown this in the past in my videos. But they've done an update on the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and it's really a great way to understand buy and sell signals. So you have the basically fire sale, buy, accumulate, still cheap, hodl, all of this designated by colors. But you can also hover over it, and it gives you a buy and sell range. So this is basically a cheat sheet of what to do in the Bitcoin markets. So right now we're in the green, it says accumulate. Now if you find this here, you can see that accumulate is between 29,000 and 38,000. So if we kind of repeat what we've done in the past and we see the top of the bull run after the halving in 2025 in this area, we'll probably hit either the red or one of the shades of orange, and you'll want to be selling in the range of 176 to 400,000, or at least take some bags out. This is the strategy that I will be going with. And then start to rotate some of that into altcoins to better your position there, as the altcoins will be after this. So that's not to say that altcoins won't go up in the meantime. They're obviously going to go up as Bitcoin goes up, but the altcoin season comes after Bitcoin has some momentum slow down. Anyways, this is a great website. If you want to mark this and favorite it, you can always refer back to it. And this altcoin season is what I've been referring to. They actually have a tool here, which is pretty cool. I found this yesterday, and it actually denotes when altcoin season is based off of this chart. You can see here if the number is anything lower than 25, it's Bitcoin season, which it's that right now. You have your chart here that says 10, closest to Bitcoin season. If it's anything over 75, it's considered altcoin season. This is when you want to pile back into altcoins to better your position here. So you can kind of play these charts to your advantage, and that's the beauty of the blockchain, is you can use all of this free data to help you navigate these markets. This is more of a long-term game, and a long-term game means you're not really a day trader. It's more of a year to 4-year investor / trader. It's kind of like a quasi situation, which is what I tend to do. So you can use these things. They have multiple charts and graphs. You can look at dominance charts, correlation tools. You can do flipping index. You can do Bitcoin supply. You can do daily trending coins, which I find pretty cool. Arbitrum. You can invest in these trending coins, and who knows what could happen. If you were a peep investor, you could have put $100 in and been a millionaire overnight. So these things can happen in the space once you start to pay attention, start to understand what some of these things are doing, and the transactions are so quick that you can really change your situation very quickly. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and smash that notification bell. And we're going to continue to pump these videos out and enjoy the crypto markets. Have a good one.